Imagine a perfectly smooth semicircle resting on a flat horizontal line. We know the radius of this semicircle is exactly 10 units. Now, picture a square placed inside this shape. The bottom edge of the square sits flat on the diameter of the semicircle, and the top two corners just barely touch the curved arc. Our goal is to calculate the precise area of this inscribed square. To solve, watch as we break down the geometry using symmetry. Let us define the side length of the square as the variable s. Because the square is inscribed symmetrically, the center of the semicircle aligns perfectly with the center of the square's base. This means the vertical line of symmetry splits the square into two equal rectangles. Focus your attention on the right half of the figure to find the solution. We can draw a right-angled triangle that connects the center of the semicircle to the top right corner of the square. This is the crucial step. The hypotenuse of this triangle is simply the line connecting the center to the edge of the circle, which is the radius. Therefore, the hypotenuse equals 10. Now, look at the legs of this triangle. The vertical leg represents the height of the square, so its length is simply s. The horizontal leg represents the distance from the center to the right edge of the square. Since the center cuts the base of the square in half, this horizontal distance is s divided by 2. We now have a right triangle with legs of length s and s divided by 2 and a hypotenuse of 10. We can apply the Pythagorean theorem, which states that leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. Writing this out in plain English, we take s divided by 2 all squared plus s squared and set it equal to 100. When we square the fraction s over 2, we get s squared divided by 4. So the equation becomes s squared over 4 plus s squared equals 100. To combine the terms on the left, think of the single s squared as 4s squared over 4. Adding 1/4 to 4/4 gives us 5/4. So 5 times s squared divided by 4 equals 100. To isolate s squared, we first multiply both sides of the equation by 4. This gives us 5 times s squared equals 400. Finally, we divide by 5. 400 divided by 5 is 80. Here is the beautiful part. The area of a square is defined as the side length squared. Since we just found that s squared equals 80, we have directly found our answer without needing to find the square root. The area of the inscribed square is exactly 80 square units. If you enjoyed this explanation, hit subscribe and check out our other math videos.